Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of the weekly outlook for the major dollar pairs. Let's get right in. Let's start off the things with our core currency of all the major dollar pairs, the DXY pair. So as per the DXY pair, as I mentioned in my previous video, in the previous week analysis, that we are going to see a reaction from this 50% demand zone. We got the reaction pretty much firmly over here. We got an engulfing type of candle forming up on the weekly time frame that concludes most likely the bullish momentum is coming in the market. As per the daily time frame as well, we broke the fractal toward the upside, then conclude that now on the daily time frame we are fractally bullish, and the higher the time frame, the more confirmed we can say about a trend in the market. So most likely we are going to see some bullish confirmations on the lower time frame to continue the market toward the upside and fill all of these imbalances in the market. I'm going to see a reaction till we are going to take this supply zone in the market. After the supply zone is filled, I can see for confirmation toward the downside in the market, the bearish side of the market. If not, we will look to see some bullish confirmation in this zone. Then I would like to see some longs building up to take out all of these highs in the market and continue the higher trend with the weekly time frame. As on the weekly time frame we are all the bullish, and let me see. As per the discount and premium zone, we are pretty much reacting from the 0.62 fib level that is known as the golden range of a Fibonacci retracement. And then we can see a reaction toward the upside from this fib zone. I would definitely commend it for the bullish momentum in the future. So let's move ahead with the USD pair. As I mentioned in my previous video, I will look to take out some shorts on the EUR/USD pair or the GBP/USD pair after a good confirmation, a clear trend, or and a clear price action. As on the GU, I didn't find any good confirmation, but on EUR/USD pair, I found a very interesting confirmation. We got the 2 1 hour fractal break in the market, as I mentioned in my video that I look to take 2 1 hour fractal break toward the downside and conclude with the 1 4 hour fractal break. And after that, with some more confirmation, I look to take out the shorts. And now my trade is currently forming out of about 0.82 hour in total and running a little less than that. As per the break even confidence, I would like to set my break even at this level around the 1 hour, 1 hour overall. And yes, we will take some one risk to reward here, and I'll set my break even. As per the partials, I'm not looking to take out any of the partials in this trade because it is a high probability trade overall. We are going to take out all of these imbalances in the market. Most likely, we could react from any of these imbalances for the upside because we could react from the discount zone over here. And if I see an opposite confirmation in the price action, I will look to close my position at that time. Let's move ahead to our beloved GBP/USD pair. As I mentioned, I didn't look to trade on due pair because it was not that clean. As you can see, that we have some clutter in the market. But most likely, I'm bearish on the GBP/USD pair until I see a reaction from any of these uh, imbalances or this demand zone in the market. As per the weekly time frame, we are in the same 50% zone, and we have the imbalance in the market right over here. As I mentioned earlier, we have some imbalances at the top as well, but that doesn't matter because we are reacting from this side. The daily fractal is bearish now for the moment. So if you miss the entry on the EUR/USD pair, I would highly suggest you can take entry on the EUR/USD GBP/USD pair at the current price with SL just a little bit above the high so that we cannot get liquidated on this particular position. But the risk to reward on this particular trade will be a little low as compared to the Euro USD. But since 2 to 3 hour is optimal range of risk reward, I would highly suggest, if you were unable to take a trade in the Euro USD one, you should definitely look to trade on the GBP USD one. As per the odd USD pair, as I mentioned in my previous video, that I'm not looking to take any trades unless I will see a break. Mm, just allow me up. Unless I see a reaction from this liquidity, I would like to take out any of these lows or highs. After that, I'm looking to take a trade, but most likely it is just consolidating on the daily time frame. And if you go lower, we can see some more consolidation. It's like it is in a range right now. We have some sort of demand zone in the market, just a 4 hour time frame demand zone, followed by this liquidity in the market. So longs could be preferred in the odd USD pair, but since the pair is consolidating overall, I'm not looking to take shorts or long overall in the market right now as per the swing perspective. But if you're looking to take day trading as your priority, I would definitely suggest you can look to take some longs in the odd USD pair. It is not that high probability, but you can definitely expect a good return on this trade. As per the NZUSD pair, it is pretty much the same as compared to the odd USD pair. As I mentioned, we have a demand zone right over here, followed by some little imbalance on the daily time frame. We don't have any imbalance over here, but on the 4 hour time frame, we could see some big imbalances in the market overall that need to be filled up. Although the demand zone is mitigated on the 4 hour time frame, but still I would definitely look to take some longs if I see a good confirmation on this pair, because it is not that much consolidating. We are looking to see some higher highs, higher lows right now in the market that conclude that the overall trend is toward the upside. The overall trend is bullish, so I would definitely look to trade from this demand zone if I see any of the confirmation, like the 2 1 hour factor break for the upside and any engulfing type of pattern on the higher time frame that conclude the bullish momentum is available in the market. That's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next video for the next weekly analysis. Hope you have a fantastic profitable week ahead.